Hi everyone, Ashley from the Digital Media Lab here. I'm going to show you this summer's new make and take. This is a vinyl sign. The Friends of the Library have purchased these wonderful wood sign backs for us. This is a really simple craft. What we're going to do is take this vinyl sign that we have pre-cut for you and stick it onto the backing. So it's just one of the easiest parts of making vinyl signs or other kind of vinyl projects with the Silhouette Cameo that we have in the Digital Media Lab. So what we're doing is taking off the transfer paper. You want to make sure that the vinyl is coming off on the transfer paper, that it is not continuing to stick to the vinyl backing. Make sure that the sign is this way up. I'm going to have it facing me. This is a little bit transparent, so I can place it exactly how I want. I just don't want to place it on the... We've got some gaps in this sign, so I'm going to start by pressing this down in the middle and spreading this out. Now I have a Silhouette Cameo tool. We're going to use the thick side and then the thin. We can also use your library card for this project. So what you'll do is you'll use this, any kind of something that is tough, and we are going to push down all of your letters. Again, it doesn't have to be this tool. You can use your library card. So we're just going to get really stuck down here. Now we're going to test. So we're going to start pulling back like this on an angle. Okay, see how the vinyl is sticking to the wood? We're going to keep pulling just like this. Just keep an eye on it. This is turning out really nice. You don't want to touch, so you'll see though, this is the trickiest part right here. I'm just going to touch this down. These letters are going to go over this gap, so just don't press on them. Just leave them as they are. This though, I didn't line that up very well, so we're just going to tap that down a little bit. I'm going to pull all of that off. And look how nice that turned out. We have a variety of colors. This is our tan color. It's kind of a tan cream color. We also have green, pink, we'll have white, and you'll be able to choose on a form on the summer adult programming page to make a request. You just pop in your library card, request how many you want, one per adult or teen in your household, and we will pack those up and either put those on the hold shelf for you, or if you're requesting curbside pickup, we will put that in your pack for curbside pickup. So we hope you have a great day, and remember, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow.